is my very first video, so bear with me, okay? Today I'm going to be making some sofrito because it's Hispanic Heritage Month, and I figured I needed sofrito anyways, so you know, why not? So we're gonna get started with some sofrito. I have my ingredients here. I am gonna pan it over. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to say that, but I'm gonna say it anyways. So we're gonna wash all of our ingredients first. We're gonna blend it up in my Ninja, and then we're going to store it. I store mine in a large container because I cook like every day. You guys can store it in smaller containers. My grandmother likes to store hers in ice cubes. She freezes them in ice cubes and then takes the ice cubes out and puts them in a Ziploc bag. You can definitely do that as well. Me personally, like I said, I use it a lot. I use it almost every day as I cook every day. Pretty much every day, maybe like 5 times a week. So I definitely use it. Now there's something a little bit different in my sofrito because my husband is actually Haitian. So I have to cater to his palate a little bit, and I don't mind it because my kids also like it as well. I do put one little special ingredient, but as I go through it, I will definitely let you know what that is, okay? I try to stick to the traditional Puerto Rican style sofrito. I know a lot of other cultures in the Caribbean use different things in their sofrito, but I like to use what my family taught me. So I know everyone has their own style, but this is mine, and I hope you enjoy the video. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying this thing out. I would really appreciate it if you guys can kind of give me some feedback. I'm gonna have my family on here soon as well. So, baby steps, okay? Okay, so here I poured a little apple cider vinegar in my water. I use this to clean my veggies before I start prepping them for the blender. I like to prep my peppers this way. I usually cut the top right off and then with my hands scoop out the seeds and pull out the white core portions of it. Sometimes I slice it right off. I was slicing these peppers really thin for some reason. I was prepping them like pepper steak style, but yeah, no. I started to chop them bigger because the Ninja will do all that for me and, you know, work smarter, not harder. So usually I will blend all of my peppers first, and then I'll go ahead and start doing the herbs. Mix it as much as I can in the blender together, and then the remainder put it in a big bowl and whip it up, baby. Whip it up.